Evening everyone, my name is Uday. I was born in Islamabad. My mother, when I was like, my birth first was born, when I was 1 year
You
old.
got your first shoe when you were 1 year old.
Yeah.
Wow.
So I got something.
Hey, golden shoe, where is this shoe now?
Now it's like, then when I got two, my mother father brought me to the mountain, so like for a view.
What mountain? Where is that?
In Islamabad, the Margla Hills. Then I got four.
You fell.
No, I got four. 4 years old.
What?
4 years.
Okay.
Then we got a posting to like shower. After two, you went post.
No, at 4 years. At 4 years, she went to the
No,
shower.
after two, she got post. 3 years I was in the like on the hill.
Please allow her to speak. Go ahead.
He was like 0 years old. He was like eating me for like years.
Sit properly, please. Okay.
Then he was like 1 year old. I picked him up and put him in his bed and he got to sleep and I got to sleep by myself. then he was like, good evening everyone. My name is Tim Thomas and I'm talking I'm telling the story. It's about my lifetime. When I was small, my dad bought me a present from Russia. It was a golden necklace and after some days he broke. After some days he broke when I was 2. He bought a shoe. Then after days from Italy. Then when we were 3, he bought us a present, a watch and a set from Ukraine. And when I was 4, we went to our cousin's birthday and my dad's mom's birthday. So I was lonely. She had nobody to stay to talk with. So she been begging her husband for pets. But he said no because we live in a flat. And a flat is not suitable for pets. So for pets. So she went to strange pet shop. She told the pet assistant about her problem. So he suggested that she needed a parrot. She needed a parrot. A parrot. Well, I cannot use the parrot to do anything with it. I cannot cuddle it with it. I cannot play with it. What can I do with the parrot? But I considered this parrot is one of a kind. It's unique. This is the last healthy parrot in the cow. Said parrot. Then the pet assistant showed her what the parrot could do. The parrot could break a chair in a matter of seconds. She was amazed. She couldn't talk. She just wanted and then went home and then went to her attic to get like useless things. And then she put the parrot that she karate it. Then the parrot did not get tired. He was never tired. Then when Samir went home, he saw a parrot. But he saw how did the parrot get home? How did it get there? So Samir said, karate my foot. So the parrot karate his foot, and then he had a broken foot. So that's how he did.
Wow, what's the lesson there, please? What's the lesson? There's no lesson. Can you
say
say sorry without a lesson? Is it possible?
Hello everybody, my name is Karen Samuel. I am here to talk about a story and it has an important moral. Once upon a time, there lived a lion, and the lion grew old and old every day. That lion who was very sick and poor, he could not go hunting again to get food. So he was thinking and teaching. So he came up with a plan, and the plan was that whoever shall concern that I am sick shall be my place. Shall come to my place, and since I am sick, then they should be my place. Many animals came to his den, and his land was. They got all eaten. But people is short-lived. Then there's a fox. Then there was a fox. Fox are smart by nature. So the fox said, Mr. Lion, how are you? The lion said, no, I am not fine. Then the lion said, and let me show you that I am not fine. Come into my den, then I'll show you. But the fox said, no, because I can see so many people on the ground going in and not coming out. Well, I'll be foolish to go inside.
Friday, what's the moral of the story?
Always say that.
Always do what? Okay. Why?
Honorable man and my dear fellows, good evening.
Good
First,
evening.
I wish you all a happy day.
Thank
Today, I am
you.
here to propose a motion of telling a story that has an important moral.
You don't say Go ahead.
Honorable man and my dear fellows, good
Thank you.
evening.
Good evening.
First, I wish you all a happy day.
Thank
Today,
you.
I'm going to tell you a story. There was a farmer and his three sons. The sons always fight in front of his father. One day, the father went to the work in his farm, and when he came back, there was a middle child. He was very injured from his big brothers. So his father, the farmer said that go to the jungle and bring a bundle of sticks. So they went there and took them to their home. Now they said that take one of it and broke it from your knees. The stick was broken from their knees. After some time, they said that now take the bundle and now broke it. It didn't broke, so the farmer told that if you are always each other cooperating with yourself, that means that you are not going to be apart in your life. But look, the one stick got broke. Like if you are apart from each of you, so that's why you can be broke from the life. So the moral of the story is that be your friends with your brothers.
Fantastic. Well done. Good job.
Where are they going to their dad? A very funny story. Once upon a time, there was a girl. She didn't have any friend because she didn't have any friend because her name was awkward. Do you know what her name was? Her name was called Run. That's her
Run.
name. Yeah.
Run. Somebody's name.
Yes.
Huh.
Her name was called Run. She
Okay.
never really showed us shape of being that. So she was ashamed of her name, so she never had any friend because if she go and say that friend, she say what's your name, she will be afraid, she'll not say it, then everybody will not start running away from her. So she didn't like to show, she went home and she never came out again. She went to school and came back one day. One day she told her mom, can I go outside and play? Her mom said yes. Later, but don't go away far. So she went to the river. A river close to her house. She always goes there because her father goes there too. When he goes there, she always talks that one day she went to the river and she usually talks to the river because the river is her friend. She doesn't have any friend. So one day she threw a rock in the river and she said, "River, please grant me a wish." He said she wished she had a friend. When she threw a rock upon the river, it fell and bounced for a long time and it fell down the waterfall. Then she now saw a girl rolling, tumbling down the hill, coming towards her with so she was bleeding from her knee. So she also when she wanted to catch it, she tumbled and she also stopped near the river. So she looked at her and saw that she was bleeding from cut. So she took her home. She tore her skirt. She ripped her picture and bandaged the wound. So she went home and showed her mother. She said, "Mother, we have a visitor. She got hurt." So her mother said, "Okay, I'm bringing my first aid kit." She said, "Okay." Then she now went there with first aid kit. She brought her into her home and took her to her first aid kit. She gave her and she said, clean her wound and bandage her. This is the girl. The girl was injured. Asked her what is your name. She didn't say her name. Her mother said her name is one. She started laughing for a long time. Then she said the girl who her name was Vampire. She also asked her name. What is your name? She was to be sad. She said her name is Walk. Then Sina said the person who was her name was Ron. She laughed. Ha ha ha. Then the girl did not laugh. They now became two friends. That we can run and we can walk.
Nice one. To eat.
There were so many layers and biscuits. Yeah. Me.